Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Standard reduction potentials help us find the most positive cell voltage. We will quickly compare these reactions to identify the strongest spontaneous chemical battery setup. The standard cell potential is calculated by subtracting the anode potential from the cathode potential. We need to find the combination of half reactions that yields the highest overall positive voltage value. Evaluating option A, silver ions are reduced while tin is oxidized. This gives us 0.80 minus negative 0.14, which equals a high positive 0.94. Comparing all results, reaction A clearly provides the maximum potential. This makes it the most favorable electrochemical cell among the choices provided in our table. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given values to avoid a rush.